Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to deactivate your Messenger account step by step. Whether you're taking a break or going offline, this guide makes it easy. Let's get started. Step 1. Messenger is tied to your Facebook account, so first you need to deactivate your Facebook. Go to the Facebook app or website. Step 2. Tap your profile picture. Click Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Step 3. From Settings, go to Account Center under Meta, then tap Personal Details. Then click Account Ownership and Control. Step 4. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook account, choose Deactivate Account, follow the prompts and confirm. Bonus tip: if you just want to appear offline without deactivating, go to your Messenger profile, tap Active Status, turn it off. And that's how you deactivate your Messenger account. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple tech guides. See you next time!